Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Leo fire sign. So this is weekly reading. So let's see your messages. Leo, this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Leo, let's see your messages. The Devil, Three of Swords, Two of Wands. Yeah, one person in this connection is heartbroken. Definitely there is some obsession is going between both of you. One person is over obsessed with other person, that is the issue. I think one person is not available emotionally to the other person. The Devil, definitely your person would be Capricorn. Yeah, so one person right now in emotional pain, they are thinking about the other person a lot. Two of Wands, it could be your person. So let's see some more messages. Leo, Six of Wands, Four of Pentacles, King of Cups. One person in this connection holding back their feelings. That person is very heartbroken right now, but another person want to offer their cup of love to this person, to other person, and they want success with that person. So who, I think the person who is heartbroken in this connection, let's see. But one person right now thinking about the other person a lot, but one person holding back their feelings, they are not expressing their feelings. Let's see some more messages. In the end of the reading, we will see who is the person that in so much pain. Four of Cups, yes. One person is holding back. Yeah, Seven of Swords, Ace of Cups. I think there is some mind games manipulation. I think the person who is heartbroken came to know that the other person playing games manipulation and some miscommunication. That's why they are not taking the cup of love offered by another person, because they know there is some sneaky energy there. I think for some there could be third party also. So I think the person who is heartbroken, they want to their priority to their self only, self love. Ace of Cups. The Hermit, Six of Pentacles, Eight of Wands. Yeah, you both will communicate back and forthly. The situation between both of you will change fastly, and yeah, one person is spiritually awakening, they are not taking any action. I think it is the heartbroken person, and there is no equal give and take. Definitely that's why one person investing more in this connection than the other person. Definitely you will both communicate back and forthly. So let's see your person energy little bit, then we will analyze who's this person and who's. Let's see your person energy. Leo, guidance, Three of Pentacles, suppression, Ten of Wands, change, Wheel of Fortune, receptivity, Queen of Cups, letting go, Eight of Cups. So I think the heartbroken person is you, Leo, definitely, because your person want to work on this relationship. Definitely they have strong emotions for you, but they are feeling very burdened right now. Suppression, Ten of Wands, and letting go. They want to let go things that don't serve there anymore. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. Let's pull some more cards. Yeah, healing, King of Cups. Yeah, definitely your person needs healing, or you needs healing. Definitely if you are heartbroken, you needs healing. I think the self love, I think you are in the self love process, Leo. You want to prioritize yourself, you want to letting go all these things. I think it's your energy, and I think your person not truthful to you. Seven of Swords is your person. They are not they are playing main games, and there is no equal give and take. That's why you're in hermit mode. You are not taking any action. Right now you are in healing process. Still you have emotions for you, but you are letting go the situation. I think it's your energy change. Yes, things are turning in your favor. You are waiting for guidance, spiritual guidance, and suppression. You are feeling very burdened right now. You need healing, Leo. Yes, the source, Ace of Wands. Definitely, if you want new beginning, first you have to heal. That's why you are not taking any action right now, but some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Right now you are under the healing process, and right now you let go of the things, those who don't serve you. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.